14 Sunnah of Wudu. 1. Making intention. Reading Bismillah. If Bismillahi walhamdulillah is read before making wuzu, angels will write good deeds for him as long as one is in the state of wuzu. Washing both hands up to the wrists 3 times. Using miswak 3 times. Rinsing the mouth 3 times using 3 handfuls of water. Gargling if not in fasting. Sniffing water into the nose 3 times using 3 half handfuls of water. Doing khilal of beard when not in the state of ihram. Doing khilal of the hand fingers. Doing khilal of foot toes. Moistening the whole head only once. Moistening the ears. Maintaining the order of the farais. Washing the face first, then the arms, then wiping the head, and then washing the feet. Washing next part before the previously washed one dries.